Are you looking for something fun to do in downtown Toronto? Come with us, because today we're exploring the AGO. The AGO, which stands for the Art Gallery of Ontario, is home to more than 90,000 works of art, and it's the most visited museum in Canada. When you first walk in, you'll notice this amazing gift shop. There is so much to see in here. It's a large shop with some Indigenous art, some jewelry, there's books, they've got prints. There's so much to see here. Personally, I'm a really big fan of pop art. It's my favorite. So this section really appealed to me. And I actually really loved this book. It was a take on Alice in Wonderland, and it was just beautiful. I also really love these skateboards, with my personal favorites being by Andy Warhol. And if you're looking for some really unique to Toronto souvenirs, this is gold. Raccoons are like basically the symbol of Toronto, if you didn't know. Now I'll head into the gallery, and the first thing you'll notice is the gorgeous architecture. I was really excited for the Infinity Mirrored Room, but if you want to catch this, you'll have to hurry up because this exhibit is only on until July the 9th. You only get access to this room for about a minute, and you'll be entered into the room with just your party. Next up, we checked out the Obsidian installation, which is all about your non-visual senses. We could smell smoke, we could hear sounds. It was dim and it was beautiful. A lot of the art here just speaks for itself, so I'm just going to drop some of my favorites in for you to observe, and hopefully you enjoy it. I really enjoyed this collection of pieces from Tarralik Duffy, who is an Indigenous artist from Nunavut, Canada. I thought these pieces were really reminiscent of Andy Warhol's work for me, but with a more modern take on it. All right, so what did you think of the AGO?
As someone who's not even like that into art, there was some cool stuff. I don't know, art just doesn't elicit a lot, but there definitely was some pictures that were paintings that were pretty cool. I might not be the best person to ask about this.
I really loved the Infinity Mirrored Room a lot. And I love some of the more modern pop art, like that Pepsi sculpture. To me was really cool. I'm not really huge into like Impressionist or like modern art, but there were some pieces that I really enjoyed. And ultimately, I just really liked walking around in there. I thought it was...
Actually, the one thing I will say, so the modern art was kind of interesting because it was clear it was like a social, kind of the ways things are going socially directed. Kind of poking fun at big corporations and stuff. So that was kind of interesting. But I don't know, you kind of see that stuff everywhere, at least down here in Toronto, because things are,
But like it is nice to see a curated collection of it all in one spot, I think.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you're ever in Toronto, that's something fun to check out.
If you're into art.
If you're into
Actually,
art.
even if you're not, the AGO is still, I would say, pretty cost effective for a whole day, and I think it's $30 for general admission.
Yep.
You could get really sneaky, and actually you could get an annual pass for $35.
Which isn't actually sneaky, it's something that they offer.
Yeah. So you could do that if you're hoping to come more than once.
So yeah, stay tuned for more. We'll have lots more from Toronto and also from our fun Disney adventures. So stick around and see what we get up to next.
Take care.
Bye.